Good morning students. Now discuss more questions based on straight line.
Question number 4, page number 227.
NCERT. Find the distance of the point
P equals to minus 1 comma 1 and line is 12x plus 6 equals to 5y minus 2.
Find the perpendicular distance. And now perpendicular distance,
Very easy.
this point satisfy in this equation.
2 minus 1 plus 6 minus 5 1 minus 2 whole divided by the coefficients of x square plus y. That means 5 60 plus 5 upon 13. 65 upon 13, 5 units answer.
Now next question. Question number 5. Find the point on x-axis. If point on x-axis, that means alpha comma 0. Whose distance from the line? Line is x upon 3, y upon 4 equals to 1. And distance equals to 4 units. Find the value of this alpha.
Okay, apply the formula of perpendicular distance. Same formula. In the place of x, alpha. In the place of y, 0 upon x coefficient square plus y coefficient square. And this perpendicular distance is 4. This one is given. That means alpha upon 3 minus 1. This is 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 16. 4 alpha upon 3 minus 1. Now take LCM. 16 into 9 is 144. 16 plus 9. Now this is plus minus 4. If modulus is removed, plus minus 4. And this one is 16 of 5, 25. 5 upon 12. Plus minus 4 multiplied by 5 upon 12. Alpha upon 3 minus 1. Plus minus 5 upon 3. Alpha upon 3 minus 1. Is it clear? Now multiplied by 3 plus minus 5 alpha minus 3. Alpha equals to 3 plus minus 5. We take positive, that means 8. We take negative, minus 2. That means point is 8 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0. Is it clear? Now next question. Question number 6, first part. Find the distance between parallel lines. 15x plus 8y minus 34 equals to 0. Another line, 15x plus 8y plus 31 equals to 0. First of all, check. This is the method. Lines are parallel. These coefficients are same. Therefore, perpendicular distance Formula is C2 minus C1 under root A square plus B square. C2 minus C1, 31 plus 34, 15 square plus 8 square. This is 65, 225 plus 64, 289. 289 means 70. Is it clear? Okay, 65 upon 70 unit is the answer. Is it clear?
Next question. Question number 7. Find the equation of line parallel to this line and passing through minus 2 comma. This one is very important question. In this question, find the equation of line parallel to this line, and this is P point, and this is the given line, or this one is a required line. Okay, what is the method? In case of parallel, equation of required line, इन दोनों के कोफिशिएंट्स बिल्कुल एज इट इज रहते हैं पैरेलल में, और यहां पर के इक्वेशन सिंपली इसे पास कर दीजिए. 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 plus k equals to 0, minus 6 minus 12 plus k equals to 0, k equals to 18. From one equation, 3x minus 4y plus 18 equals to 0. Is it clear? Okay, next question. Question number 8. Find the equation of line perpendicular to x minus 7y plus 5 equals to 0 and having x intercept is. First of all, एक unknown question करते हैं हम लोग. Find the equation perpendicular to the line passing through minus 2 1. ये क्वेश्चन देखिए, ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. हमको बेटा एक लाइन निकालनी है परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. दिस इज गिवन लाइन, this one is required line, and this point is P. In case of perpendicular line, equation of perpendicular line, इन दोनों के कोफिशिएंट्स इंटरचेंज कर दीजिए और मिडिल साइन भी रिवर्स कर दीजिए. इन दोनों के कोफिशिएंट्स आपस में बदल दीजिए और मिडिल साइन भी चेंज कर दीजिए. इसको पास कर दो. 7 minus 2 plus 1 plus k equals to 0. k की वैल्यू आ गई 13. इक्वेशन आ गई 7x plus y plus 13 equals to 0. इसी क्वेश्चन का हम एक दूसरा मेथड देखते हैं. Second method. In the second method, आपको इसकी परपेंडिकुलर लाइन निकालनी है, तो आप स्लोप निकालिए. स्लोप निकालेंगे 7ix plus 5 y equals to 1 upon 7x plus 5 upon 7. स्लोप आ गया 1 upon 7. इसका परपेंडिकुलरली स्लोप कर दो -1 upon m1. That means -7 is the perpendicular slope. Slope is given, p is given. Simple equation of line y minus y1, slope x minus x1. ओपन करिए y minus 1
minus 7x minus 14, 7x plus y plus 13 equals to. Answer is same. Is it clear?